Hi everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to measure resistor using an analog multimeter.
This is a useful technique in electronic, especially with working with audio or non-digital tool.
Let's go through the standard operating procedure step by step.
Check the probe for any damage and make sure the resistor is not connected to any live circuit.
Connect the black and red probe to the multimeter. Make sure the analog multimeter is working. The needle should rest at 0 before turning it on.
Now, place the resistor onto the breadboard. Hold the resistor carefully without touching the lid too much. And then place one probe on each terminal. Watch the terminal swing across the ohm scale. Read the number where it stops. Then, multiply the number by your range setting. In this case, the number stops at 19 and the range setting is times 1K. That means it is equal to 19,000.
Side-by-side of resistance color band and meter reading. This proves that the resistor has the same value as when we measure the resistor.
For the last step, turn off the multimeter and take out the probe from the multimeter. Then, store safely the probe to prevent damage. Same goes to the other components and tools.
And that's how you measure a resistor using an analog multimeter.
Make sure to calibrate and choose the right range.
Thanks for watching and stay safe in the lab.